Today I'm going to make potato pancakes, or as we call them, tater cakes. So I'm starting with leftover mashed potatoes from supper, and there's about 1.25 cups of mashed potatoes in here, and they do have butter and salt and pepper in them. But this is going to be a savory dish, not a sweet dish like regular pancakes. So to that, I'm going to add 1 egg that I've already beaten a little bit. And I'm going to start with about 1/4 cup of milk. And we'll see how it goes. And I've got a couple tablespoons of onion that I chopped up finely. And then I'm going to add some flour to it, and we'll just see how the consistency is. I've got a cup, 1/2 cup measured out here, but we'll start with half of that, which would be 1/4 cup, which is the same amount of milk that I put in. So I'm going to stir it all together, and I want it to be thicker than regular pancake batter. This is looking pretty good. Now I'm going to add just a pinch of salt because I've added egg and flour. Even though it's already got some salt in it, I'm going to add just a little bit more. I'm going to put in the rest of the flour. And there is the consistency that I want. I'm ready to fry up the tater cakes now. I've got a couple tablespoons of oil in my skillet here, just enough to cover the bottom real good. And I ended up using 1.25 cups of mashed potatoes, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt. So now we're going to fry them. I've got my burner on medium low here. I'm not going to crowd the skillet. I'm just going to fry them up, usually 3 or 4 at a time. And when the edges start turning brown, that's when I know it's time to turn them. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the edges are starting to turn a little bit brown here, so I'm going to turn them over. Now I've got them all turned over, and I'm going to continue cooking on that side. Tater cakes are done. They've browned up nicely on both sides, so it's time to take them up. I'll go ahead and put in 3 more. I ended up with 6 tater cakes. Now these are real good with breakfast instead of hash browns, or they're a side dish for supper, or maybe just a snack.